Struggling with Flexbox margins? Watch this quick fix to space your items perfectly in seconds. The title of this page is Flexbox Margin Fix. Inside the body, we create a container div with the class container to hold all our items. Within this container, we add 3 separate divs, each with the class item. The first item contains the text, home. The second item contains the text, about, and the third item contains the text, contact. This simple HTML structure sets up our layout and is now ready for CSS styling and margin fixes. Let's start with the body. We set a light blue background to make the page look clean and simple. We use the Arial font for readability and add 20 pixels of padding around the edges. Next, we style the container. We make it a flex container using display flex, which will allow all the child items to sit in a row. Now, the individual items. Each item has a dark blue background and white text for contrast. We add padding of 15 by 25 pixels and round the corners with an 8-pixel border radius to make them look neat. To create spacing between items, we add a right margin of 20 pixels. Finally, for the last item, we remove the right margin so it doesn't push outside the container. And that's how you fix Flexbox margins quickly and cleanly. If this helped you, hit subscribe for more fast CSS tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.